Hi, this week at Carroll Lutheran Village, we're going to be making a summer brisket taco with a fresh mango salsa. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my mango salsa. So I have some fresh mango here, chopped up. You want to use nice ripe mango, so it's nice and sweet and it's soft. So we're going to put that in there. I've got some chopped red onion, add a little bit of that. I have some fresh tomato chopped up as well. Put some of that in there. Some fresh squeezed lime juice, just a little bit there. And I have some cilantro, fresh chopped cilantro. We're gonna add that to our salsa. This is better made a day in advance. Put a little bit of olive oil in there. And at this point, you could add a tiny bit of salt if you would like. I'm gonna put just a little bit of taco seasoning in there. And then that can go in our refrigerator to sit overnight. The flavors intensify. It's really delicious. All right, so now we're going to prepare our filling for the tacos, which is a brisket filling. So what I have here is some cooked brisket, cooked nice and tender so it just falls apart. And I've let that cool down. We're gonna add our seasonings to it. So a little bit of taco seasoning in there. And I have some salsa. If you don't have salsa, you can just use a little bit of tomato juice is fine. Put that in there as well. I like a little bit of lime juice in there too. A little bit of oil. Mix that up really good. Maybe just a little bit more taco seasoning. You can also prepare this recipe with a pulled chicken if you would like. And ground beef also works as well. So we're gonna mix that up real good. Should be a little bit saucy, as you can see. And then, once that's all mixed together, we're gonna go to the stove and we're gonna simmer that for about a half an hour until it cooks in its own juices. So we've simmered our brisket. It smells delicious. You can see it's nice and saucy there. Now we're going to go ahead and we're gonna build our tacos. So what I have here today is a corn tortilla. You can warm these up on the grill or in your saucepan if you would like. We've got 2 tortillas here. We're gonna just go ahead and fill those. So we'll put some of that really good brisket in there. Fill that up. And I like to kind of let 2 of them sit there. And then we'll put our mango salsa on and our queso fresco. So fill that one up. Set that on there as well. So we've got our mango salsa that's been sitting. It looks amazing. We're just gonna put that on the top of our brisket. Okay, the mango gives it a nice summery flavor. So we'll put that on there. I've got a little bit of sour cream. And I've got some queso fresco, which is just a fresh cheese. If you don't have that or you can't get it in your grocery store, cheddar is fine. So I just like to kind of crumble that on the top of the tacos there. That looks delicious. We've got some of the fresh cilantro as well. I like to put some of that on the top. And our sour cream, you can put that right on the top. I'm gonna just stick it right on the side of the plate there. And it's ready to serve. Summer brisket tacos.